Okay, so quick Binance tutorial. Here I am on the home page. Hopefully you're already logged in. Before I go into anything, just go into account and make sure you enable two-factor auth. Um, it's really important, especially if you're going to be putting any real money into this. Google Auth is more secure than SMS, so use that if you can. Um, okay, so back on the home page, first thing you want to do is go to your deposits and withdrawals page. If you uncheck that, you can see all the coins that this exchange accepts. Find the one that you want to bring into the exchange, hit the deposit button, address comes up, copy it, paste it into your wallet, send that money over, wait for it to get there. Once it's there, you'll see it update around here, and then you can trade with it. So I will go to this exchange bit to show you how trading works. So to find your pair, you're going to want to look in this upper right hand section. The base pairs are up here: BTC, Ethereum, Binance's own coin, and then USD Tether, but stay away from Tether. So here I am in BTC. I'm already on the Monroe page, but if I wanted to, there it is. I hit the star, so when I go to favorites, everything that I like is listed. So I'm on the XMR BTC page. Let's, I guess, go over the stuff on the screen real quick. This box down here is the list of trades happening. So every time there's a trade, there's going to be a new entry on this list. So let's see, this market's moving a little slower. Okay, there's another one. So that trade just happened right now. Someone bought what looks like 2.7 Monero for 0.02 Bitcoin, and then more trades are coming in. So if you look at this, you can kind of see how actual trades being made are happening in real time and if the price is going up or down. Over here, this is the order book. Everyone down here is trying to buy at lower and lower prices. So here we have 0.564. Someone is willing to buy 0.564 Monero at the price of 0.02, and the reason that it's even in the order book is because the next best selling offer is at 0.0201, and so this guy wants to sell it for a little bit higher, that guy wants to buy it a little lower, and you can kind of see how much of the coin is available at different prices, and what the total BTC all the way up to that price. Oh no, this one actually just shows it for each one. Some exchanges, they'll do a sum of the total BTC from here down, so like this number will progressively get bigger. But this one, it looks like it just tells you the total for that specific price. This big guy in the middle, that's the last price that XMR was sold at. So there's 201.46. You can see here 201.46. Oh, there's 2007, 2007. So you can see that's the last price that trades were actually happening at. Down here is your buy and sell. You're going to have open orders here. So like let's say the price is at like 0.02. But you want to wait till it's 0.015 to buy, so no one's selling it that low yet. Maybe they will in the future. Your order is going to be open until that goes. So let's see. Market and limit. If you do a market order, you don't get to decide your own price. I really do not suggest you do that unless you see some like crazy spike happening one way or the other and you don't know if your order is going to get filled in time. Other than that, you want to plan out your trades using the chart and put your limit orders in here. So for XMR. I think I have the chart here already. So it's looking like it's at the lower end of where the price should be. So I don't know, maybe I want to, I'm already up on XMR, so like I could pretty much sell it anywhere here and take some profit. But if I wanted to maximize, I'd probably try to sell around here, maybe. I don't know, maybe it'll go there, maybe it won't. But I mean, I believe in XMR as a whole for the future, so even if it goes down in the short term, I'm not worried because I think I'm still holding a valuable coin, and that's also another reason why I think it's important to only trade with coins that you think are good in the long term. So okay, that's the oh, they don't let you paste in here, I don't think. Hold on. Okay, that's really stupid. So 0.02338 277. Oh, it won't let me go that far. Okay, so that's the price that I want to sell it at. I don't know, I'll sell a quarter of it. So these buttons will take a quarter of my total balance and autofill it in for me here. So, you know, I want to take a quarter of it, take home some profit. Maybe it'll shoot up higher, and if it shoots up higher, I'll sell off a little more. So, okay. Oh, what's wrong with my price? Is it because I didn't have a zero at the beginning? Yep, that's why. Okay, so here's my order. I put it in at 0.0233. Oops. There we go. So that there's that little orange triangle that tells me that at that price, that's where my order is. So if where'd that little thing go? So if all these orders get filled, then mine will be up next, and then mine will sell, and then it'll go from there. Let's see if there's anything else. I mean, that's the basics. You have your chart here, but I mean, I use TradingView, so I don't really care about the charts on any of these sites. But yeah, that's it, I guess, for now.